back to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying that again. It's been such a long time since I've uploaded on YouTube, and with everything going on right now, I wish I was coming around at a better time. I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope that we're all doing as much as we can to just stop the spread of this pandemic, and it is just so insane. But there's also some comfort knowing that we're all kind of going through this at the same time. I have just been going a bit stir crazy. I am losing my mind at home, and I've been doing all kinds of crazy things. I've been cleaning like crazy, I have been organizing, getting caught up on work, and I'm also getting caught up on food vlogs for you guys. I took time to go through my comments on my previous video, and so many of you guys have requested what I eat in a day. There is a Hindu holiday that I observe called Navratri, and so basically I am a vegetarian for 9 days. So the food vlog that I will have up will be primarily vegetarian. After that I will make obviously another one a little bit more realistic in what I actually eat in a day. I wanted to do kind of like a review slash demonstration. I really wanted to dye my hair black. A, I'm bored, and B, it looks like summer is canceled. So my plans for going lighter during the summer is kind of put on hold. A lot of our lives are put on hold right now. So what does every girl do when we're facing a crisis? We dye our hair. I just film a fun video, get us all away from the pandemic news, and every time you turn on the TV, it's so depressing. So I really wanted to do something for me, something for you guys as well. So basically it's just a deep conditioner that also leaves a tint of color in your hair as well. Do the color Rich Black today. It washes out in a couple of washes, and I know my hair looks black right now, but it is not. It is a brown color, and I'm gonna go change into a black shirt for two purposes. So one, this is gonna stain your clothes, and then two, I wanted to show you guys kind of like the color of my hair. So hopefully you guys can see my hair is not black. There is a lot of brown in it. Always loved the look of black hair. Okay, so I have started by sectioning off my hair. I'm going to remove my jewelry because obviously everything is just gonna get really stained. It's gonna get really messy in here. I'm not an organized person by any means, so here we go. The color that I'm using today is called Rich Black. The instructions just say to apply evenly to dry hair, wait 10 to 15 minutes and rinse out. Now apply it to my hair and wash it out in 15 minutes with some Olaplex, and yeah. I have this little brush thing, but I don't know, I feel like just slapping it in my hair and like running with it, but I guess I'll try to use the brush for the roots so that I don't make a complete mess. Oh my god, it's so messy. Okay. So I'm gonna continue to apply this in sections and pray that I don't make a complete mess. I don't have that much hair. Even though my hair is long, it's not thick. So this should take me just a couple minutes to apply. I'm just applying this on black hair, so if I miss any spots, I'm not too concerned. So I'm just kind of applying it roughly. It is just a conditioner, so don't even worry about it. It's gonna wash out in a few days. My hair is super dirty. It's like on day 4. It's super oily and greasy right now, so I'm sorry, but it was like the perfect time to do this. But okay, I'm at the front, so I should probably section. Too late. I don't know how effective this is. I am not a hair person. If you know me in person, even as a makeup artist, people always ask me like, do you do hair? And I'm like, absolutely not. I do not do hair. So it's so ironic that I'm doing a hair video. My roots, I'm just gonna I think this is what I should be doing. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think Honestly, for my roots, I'm just gonna slap it in there. Like, it's just whatever. It can't be that hard, honestly. It's just black. But if you can kind of see, it's kind of like purple. It has like purple tones in it, which gives it that luxurious black look that I love. I'm just gonna work it into my hair and pray that it gets everywhere. It's all over me. Oh my god. I feel like majority of my hair has it on and majority of my face. So I successfully dyed myself along with my hair. I have set a timer on my phone for 15 minutes and I'm gonna rinse this out and I will be back to show you the finished look. God, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. And it is the next day and I finally styled my hair so you guys can kind of see the difference. Obviously it's not a huge difference. My hair was dark brown to start with. Thoughts on this, I had so much fun doing it. I think I kind of didn't do it properly. Used shampoo and I don't think you're supposed to do that. Not on the first wash anyway. Yeah, that's my fault, but again, it made a huge difference and I can notice it and I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. As the whole experience with Overtone goes, I don't think that the conditioning part made a huge difference in my hair. But the color, oh my gosh, you guys, like I love it. I love it so much. I'm hoping when I edit this, you guys will be able to see a difference. If you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be soon because again, we are in quarantine.